We love to see restoration and redemption for families and to see families get back together.
Over the last 5 years, the Watsons opening their home to 26 foster kids.
When we got married, we decided that that was going to be something that we were going to do.
Their inspiration, Kevin's childhood in foster care.
There is an idea that the department is there to try and take away your kids, and they want to keep them taken away. We have not seen that in any way, shape, or form. If anything, our concerns are more about unsafe reunifications. The department is very focused on reunifying families.
But it shouldn't be at the cost of a child's safety.
Which it sometimes is. There's some loopholes in the laws, and we need to close those up.
So Kevin and a handful of other current and former foster parents propose 3 bills in this legislative session.
We've spoken with many lawmakers, senators, and representatives. 100% of the time, it's been very supportive.
With the nicknames the Foster Child Safety Act, Isaiah's Law, and Benji's Law. One acts as a conceptual foundation for the other 2, named after a pair of brothers, focusing on cases with parents with convictions of child abuse or neglect and/or parental rights termination.
The bills we're proposing are specifically designed to preserve parental rights. All of us in our group that are advocating for these laws, we come from a strong parental rights background. They're designed to preserve judicial discretion. No new spending, no additional funding. This is all utilizing supports that are already in place. It's just utilizing them appropriately.
The Foster Child Safety Act details rights of kids in care, looking out for their health and security.
Listing out what their rights are for being in care.
Look, I found 3.
The right to be put in a safe environment.
Sure, I found some big ones.
You did.
The right not to be kept in an environment where another person in the household might be abusing them. Some of these things you find in department policy.
Can you eat this one for me?
But what this does is it puts it into law.
Isaiah's Law aims to protect foster kids from being forced into harmful family interactions.
Given the current laws, a lot of judges feel like they have to continue visitation because it's a right. Isaiah's Law would provide the framework for the judge to pause that visitation and also provide a framework for professionals like psychologists, therapists, teachers, foster parents.
Tell her that you guys do ballet.
To have their input given more weight. If the judge is going to go against that majority opinion,
Then I found another.
Let's see which one we got.
it needs to be noted
Look at you go.
in the judge's findings, specifically why they are going against the opinion and why they believe it's in the child's best interest.
Benji's Law aims to add interventions to protect a new baby born to parents proven unfit or unsafe.
We know this is one of the most at-risk children. So Benji's Law specifically provides for that urgent infant care review, not to immediately remove the child. It's just to get involved early on before something awful can happen, like in the case with Benji, where 12 days in and we had already lost him.